Procreate Painting Flowers. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to draw and color a simple flower digitally using Procreate Pocket. Beginners often look for step-by-step guidance to understand layers. Start by opening Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for it to fully load. Create a new canvas to begin your project. Tap the plus icon to create a new canvas. Then choose the square canvas option to keep your artwork balanced. Once the canvas opens, set the background color to a light cream or soft pastel tone to create a gentle base. Create a new layer specifically for your sketch so you can edit it separately later. Select a pencil brush from the brush library and begin by sketching a simple circle to form the flower center. Around this circle, draw petal shapes, keeping them slightly uneven to achieve a more natural look. After completing the sketch, lower the sketch layer opacity to around 30 to 40% so the lines become faint but still visible. Create a new layer above the sketch layer for coloring. Choose a soft round brush and pick a base color for the petals. Carefully paint inside each petal shape without worrying about perfection at this stage. Next, select a darker shade of the same color and apply it near the base of each petal to add depth. Blend the darker shade slightly using the soft brush or the smudge tool for a smooth transition. Add a lighter highlight on the tips of the petals to create dimension. Create another new layer for the flower center and paint it with a warm yellow or orange tone. Add small darker dots on top to give the center texture. Then create a new layer underneath the petal layer for the leaves. Choose a green color and paint simple leaf shapes extending from the flower. Add a darker green near the base of each leaf and a lighter green highlight along the edges. Apply a soft shadow under the petals to enhance depth. Adjust brightness or curves if necessary. Finally, hide or delete the sketch layer. Tap Actions, select Share, and choose Save Image.